I want to welcome in our very special guest. We do have Michelle Phillips, who's joining us here today. Many of you have actually seen her. She is a celebrity makeup artist, a beauty expert, and best-selling beauty author. She is currently a featured celebrity makeup artist and beauty expert on national television shows and networks such as the Oxygen Network, WeTV, CW, Daytime as well. She's worked with numerous celebrity clients such as, just a few, Colbie Caillat, Clint Eastwood, Jason Mraz, Katie Couric, and Vice President Al Gore. I mean, we could go on and on and on and on. Doris Roberts. So welcome. Great to have you here with us today.
Beauty expert Michelle Phillips is back to share her weekly beauty tips with an emphasis on how beauty begins, this throws me here, with your mindset. So I love those soaps. They smell just fabulous.
They really do.
If you guys could just smell the vision. I always say that.
Our dear friend, Michelle Phillips, she is back with us, the beauty guru. We were talking with her a little bit. I caught her on national television last night. She was on the list. Michelle is all over the place, and we're excited she's got some time for us today.
Well, let's bring in Michelle Phillips now, and let's hear, would she rather give up TV or social media, Miss Social Media Queen?
I'm watching you on TV, but you're always giving good tips. And that's our conversation when we see you. It's like, okay, Michelle, have you heard of this? Have you heard of this? I mean, it's like cram as much as we can into a short amount of time. And I know today, though, is no different because you want to share with our viewers some things that people can do maybe at home to kind of keep up their old beauty regimen.
We all want the best beauty products when it comes to our skincare regimen and beyond, especially if it's going to
improve the overall tone and texture and reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We spoke to celebrity makeup artist Michelle Phillips, who shares 3 new beauty trends making their mark in the self-care and wellness world of beauty.
Well, if a staycation is your thing, there is a new treatment in spas that's so popular because it actually is helping to lift and tone the skin on the face and neck. It's called microcurrent therapy, and it's being referred to as fitness for your face. Celebrity beauty expert Michelle Phillips joins us today to show us how it works.
Professional facials with ultra high-tech treatments are all the rage in the beauty industry, especially microcurrent therapy. Why? Well, microcurrent therapy is known for lifting, toning, and tightening the face. And now you don't have to go to an expensive spa to get a microcurrent treatment. The Bare and Bare Mini by Foreo are the world's first FDA-cleared at-home medical microcurrent devices that deliver premium skincare results.
Wow, so this morning we have the author of this book right here joining us. The Beauty Blueprint book is by celebrity makeup artist and life coach Michelle Phillips. Michelle, I mean, what else do I need? I need someone who's going to do my makeup, make me look great, and then while you're doing it, tell me how to make my life look great, too. You've got it both covered there. She'll do your makeup and change your life, this woman. I love it.
Thankfully, our resident beauty expert, Michelle Phillips, joins us today to share a few of those top trends, at least ones that are Michelle approved.
That's right.
It can get very overwhelming.
Yeah, and for everyday women.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I look at these social media feeds and I think, really? Not so much, unless you're like 17. So
Yes.
I'm going to share some trends that are great for every lady.
Okay, sounds good. We're going to continue this. In the meantime, where can people go for more information?
Oh, go to my website, michellephillips.com.
Good stuff. If we can look like Michelle, we're all winners.